Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I just wanted to put together a quick double unboxing of a few divers that I received from two of my favorite micro brands. I actually received both packages on the same day yesterday, and the first one in this FedEx box is from Zelos. And this second package from DHL is from Richard LeGrand. Now, both of these companies offer arguably some of the best bang for buck divers you can get. And it's not just the watch itself, they usually come with very nice packaging, watch rolls, and extra straps as well. So I'm going to flip perspectives now, and you guys can see the unboxing in my studio. Okay guys, so now we're in my studio and we can start unboxing the FedEx package that's in front of me, and we'll see specifically which model of dive watch is inside. So with the Zelos divers, you always get this very ornate wooden watch box here. So let's open it up. Ooh, very substantial watch roll that comes with it. I like it a lot. So you get the bronze warranty card from Zelos. This is serial number 48. Now it only comes with a 1-year warranty, which is kind of a shame. But the movements that Zelos uses are actually rock solid. You can also see that there's a Tropic rubber strap included. And now the moment of truth for the watch itself. Wow, so in case you haven't guessed already, this is the 3rd gen Zelos Mako. And this is what's known as the frost dial. And I just love the contrast of white and black outlines on the indices and handset, and a very nice pop of orange too. Very Rolex Explorer 2-ish. Quick side note, I am wearing the Explorer 1 on my wrist today, but I'll take this off just so you can see how the frost dial wears. And if I'm not mistaken, this is also a full loomed dial. I'm just going to hit it with a flashlight just so you can see how it looks. Huh, well, the indexes light up very well. Maybe it's not fully loomed. Stick around for the full review to get all the details on this model, though. Here's a quick wrist shot of the Zelos Mako 3 on my 19 centimeter circumference wrist. And you can see it actually sits very well. And I do think they really improved the bracelet and clasp over each iteration of this watch. Okay, so let's change over to the next watch unboxing. Nice Richard LeGrand black box. Also very nice watch roll. And I should mention inside with the warranty card, it looks like you also have bent spring bars, a hammer, I guess, for the pin and collar system, and then the Richard LeGrand warranty as well. And this is actually a 2-year warranty, doubling the time that Zelos usually offers. Now you also get a Tropic rubber strap with the Richard LeGrand. And here is the Mark III Oceanfarer from Richard LeGrand. And as you can see, kind of an off-white dial. The changes from the other Mark III that I reviewed in the past is the text on the dial, the colorway, and I think they improved the bracelet with these female end links that just pull down to hug your wrist very well. Here's a quick wrist shot of what the Richard LeGrand Oceanfarer Mark III looks like on my wrist. And nice and compact too. I believe this is just 40 millimeters. I'll hit it with the flashlight so you guys can see the lume as well. It might be hard to tell, but it glows a very nice BGW9 blue on the dial here. So both excellent watches, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so you can actually see when these reviews come out in a few weeks. But as always guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Comments on this video are welcome in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.